Hey guys, and welcome to another giveaway. Now right here we have a winner for the season 3 battle pass. However, if you guys want to sign up, there's 3 really simple steps to follow, which I will show you later on. So first of all, let's get on with gifting the battle pass. So let's go right into item shop, and in item shop we will see, if we keep scrolling, battle pass. So there's 2. There's the battle bundle and there is the battle pass, which I don't think the bundle's worth it. It just gives you extra levels. So for me, it's not worth it. Anyways, right now we're gonna click right there. And no, for those of you who are thinking, do you need to buy the battle pass yourself in order to gift it out? No, I haven't bought it for myself just yet, but I am gonna gift it out right now. So we're just gonna press triangle to gift, and then we just have to scroll all the way down. So finally, here it is. So let's just press X, then square, and we're gonna gift this out. Now in order to gift, you can't use your V-Bucks, by the way. You do have to pay. So even if you have lots and lots of V-Bucks like me, 8,000 V-Bucks right now, I can't use any of those to gifting out. So I should see a screen telling me my funds. Yep. And I can just confirm purchase and I should be okay. And there we go. Purchase has been complete. I can return to application. If this is your first time doing it, sometimes it does ask you to add funds before purchasing. So, and that's just so you link up your credit card, by the way. Anyways, so right now we're gonna return to application. New gift box acquired. Yeah, accept. And I could do that. I like this present, so we're just gonna select that and we're gonna be sending out the gift right now. And there we go. It says all gifts were delivered. So all we have to do is go back, and if we scroll over Nicole right now, we should see, there we go, battle pass level 6. Nicole, if you got the battle pass, can you do an emote? Alright, cool. So you got the battle pass, congrats. If you guys would like to apply for the battle pass or skin or emote, because you guys can pick anything from the item shop or the battle pass, you guys can just sign up right here following these 3 simple steps. Number 1, go right into your item shop. Down here below, you guys will see support a creator. Just tap right there and you guys will type in, just enter tech and design just like you see it right here. Accept. That's step number 1. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote backlink. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass? If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.